Hey guys, press the bell icon to never miss a video from POPxo Beauty.
Don't rub your eyes and don't touch your face. Now, this wasn't how my mother told me this. It was pretty much her yelling this at me every single day till it actually stuck on. So if you're somebody who constantly rubs their eyes or touches their face, then don't, because that's how bacteria spreads, leading to infections and pimples.
So my sister used to do this every morning. She'd wake up and have warm water with lemon in it. And I always thought, oh, this is something that she does for her crazy weight loss routine. But then eventually I realized how good warm water and lemon is for your skin. It flushes out all the toxins. It's great for hydration. It keeps your metabolism strong and it's amazing. It makes your skin happy inside and out. So I've been sticking to this routine ever since.
Give your body a break from that alcohol. We go all out and pay no attention to the ill effects it has on our skin and our body. Trust me, that detox is required. I noticed that my skin got much clearer and glowing once I gave the good old red wine a break.
So back in college, I had this crazy acne breakout and I went to the dermo and she asked me to take medication for it, but because I was so stressed out from my assignments and I had so many things to do, it kind of just kept getting worse. And so my nanny asked me to apply a turmeric and honey face mask, and as icky as that sounds, it actually worked. I started putting it once a week every week and it did wonders for my skin. Slowly I stopped taking the medication and now it's a habit that I just cannot get over.
So my dermatologist gave me a really cool advice. Once I kept hounding her about the kind of products that I should use, the kind of products that will fit my skin, and she just told me one simple thing. She told me to follow a routine which is cleansing, toning and moisturizing. She told me I can use as many products as I want to, whatever products that I want to experiment with, as long as I'm following this routine, because then I know that my skin is safe. So as long as you're following a set routine, you're good to go.
I have really sensitive skin. So every time I used to go to the parlor to get my waxing done, it was a very painful affair, especially my underarms. So one day my friend told me that maybe I was living in 2005. I should totally get a laser done. It's a bit expensive, but seriously, best decision ever.
So what's the best beauty advice that you have received?
Let us know in the comment section below.
Also, make sure you check out the POPxo shop. We have amazing pouches and mugs and much more. The link is in the description down below.
For more such videos, keep watching POPxo Beauty.